Good morning everyone, it's Georgie from Blue Anchor Leisure. I hope you're really good. Today we're going to take a look around this Willerby Eden. So this is a 2012 model. It has 2 bedrooms and it sleeps 6 people. Really clean and tidy, spacious, lots of preparation space in the kitchen, and then all this room in the lounge area. Fixed dining area, your electric fire, and then your L-shaped sofa, which does house a sofa bed. So it is also central heated and double glazed, and it's available to be sited on any of our holiday parks. So we have 18 holiday parks. They are situated in Skegness, Ingoldmells, Chapel St Leonards, and also Mablethorpe. We would site this holiday home. We would do a gas and electric safety test with a 12-month certificate, and we would also clean it inside and outside, and that would cost £24,995. We do have finance available with a small deposit of £6,750 and then monthly payments. So there is no site fees to pay with this holiday home for 2026. They are free with this one. So if you like it, I'm Georgie. My number is 0787 491 0033. I'll be really happy to help you with any of our holiday homes and any of our holiday parks. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and follow. Have a lovely day. Thank you.